Four little ducks went out to play, splashing in water all the day. They dived and swam, went quack, 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 wiggled their tails and floated back. Sunshine sparkled, sky so blue, happy ducks with things to do. When Mama called, it's time to go, they swam home, splash, splash, slow.